How to prevent osteoporosis? Osteoporosis, which is so common now, was virtually unnoticed of 100 years ago. It was not exist until the turn of the century. So what happened? Did our genes change in 100 years? No. Genetic material takes thousands of years to change. The only thing that changed was our environment. Our diet and lifestyle are much different than they were 100 years ago, and it has caused an epidemic of osteoporosis. Here in this video you will know about top 8 ways to prevent osteoporosis. Number 1. Get some sun. Vitamin D deficiencies are also widespread in our society. Vitamin D helps to absorb calcium and put it in the bones. It is also important for immune system modulation, depression and autoimmune disorders. It is made in your skin when you get out in the sun. Number 2. Cut down on protein. Excess protein intake causes acidity in the body, which in turn causes calcium to be lost in the urine. Most people need only 2 to 4 ounces of lean protein 3 times a day. Number 3. Keep your stomach acidic. Many people are on acid blocking drugs for problems such as heartburn and hiatal hernia. Stomach acid is necessary to absorb minerals such as calcium, magnesium and zinc. Blocking stomach acid significantly increases the risk of osteoporosis. Number 4. Say goodbye to stress. Stress raises cortisol levels. If cortisol levels are high for long periods of time, it can cause bone loss. Cortisol antagonizes insulin and leads to insulin resistance, eventually raising the blood sugar and causing calcium loss in the urine. As little as 25 teaspoons of sugar can cause calcium to loss in the urine. Number 5. Stop the carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages such as soft drinks, champagne and sparkling water leach calcium from your bones. Carbonated beverages also have excess phosphorus, which cause even more calcium loss. Number 6. Have your hormones checked. Hormonal decline is one of the most common reasons for bone loss after menopause in women. Andropause, the male equivalent of menopause, also causes bone loss in men. Adequate levels of estrogen, progesterone and testosterone are important for bone maintenance. Number 7. Exercise regularly. When the muscles pull against the bones during exercise, it stimulates the bones and tells them that they are needed. Any weight-bearing exercise such as walking, hiking, climbing stairs and weightlifting can increase bone density. As little as 15 to 30 minutes a day can be helpful. Number 8. Avoid caffeine. Each cup of coffee that you drink makes you lose 150 mg of calcium in your urine. Chemically decaffeinated coffee is not the answer either though, because it contains harmful chemicals that interfere with the detoxification process. Naturally decaffeinated teas are a better option. But if you must drink caffeinated coffee, at least increase your calcium intake by 150 mg for each cup you drink. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.